Okay, today I'm going to replace a medium shaft. These are the tools I'm going to use. Some sort of small screwdriver, a hammer, a crescent wrench, a pair of channel locks, and a cordless drill. You could use a regular screwdriver as well. First thing we're going to do is remove this rubber cover. Peel it up like this and then slide it off. Then you want to remove the 4 screws that hold the neck onto the die grinder. The next thing you want to do is pop out this little plastic coupling, set that aside. There's also a washer, a large washer. Go ahead and set that aside as well. A little nut can be removed off the end, and then put it in the vise and unscrew this. Inside here you'll find 2 things. Silver washer, it's a little smaller than the previous one, and a felt washer, has a little bit of oil on it. Set those aside as well. Notice this time I grabbed it by the threads. I used the handle of the crescent wrench to loosen up the nut in here. Looks like this. Pop out the old shaft. So now you're ready to install your new shaft. Slide that down in this way. Line it up carefully. Tighten the shaft in the vise and take the nut. Up. Next, go ahead and drop the smaller of the 2 silver washers in here. The felt washer on top. You can tighten this up by hand first. Now before you attach this on here, go ahead and drop in the plastic coupling. Put the larger of the 2 silver washers right in here. And carefully align the coupling and the drive motor. Now before you put your screws in, whoops, try it again. Before you put your screws in, make sure that the ventilation, the larger holes, point out the sides of this. That will make it more enjoyable to carve, to have ventilation coming out the sides rather than out the top. Once you put the 4 screws in, the neck's on securely, then you'll see there's these 2 rectangular shapes here. They fit into these 2 rectangular shaped recesses, so start it off so that they're lined up towards each other. Slide it down, and then work the skirt or the flange part of this rubber over here. Make sure that those pieces are properly seated in there, and you're all set. You can install the shaft.